Hello guys, my name is Yash and I'm here to help you out with a common issue we all are facing now in our Dell laptop or PC, which is related to Alienware Command Center. An error is showing in all of our PCs and it's frequently displaying again and again. The error is Alienware Command Center is currently not available in your account. Make sure you are signed in to the store and try again. Here's the error code in case you need it. So all of you are facing this issue and upon closing this multiple time again and again, this issue is frequently displayed again and again. So I'm here with a quick temporary shortcut or method to help you out with this to prevent this error message until Microsoft brings some new update regarding this. So here we go. First, right-click on the taskbar and click on the Task Manager as shown in the screen. And then over here in the top, we have search bar. Over there, type AWCC. After that, you are displaying with two options awcc.service, awcc.background. We select this option and right click on it and then we end the task. Remember awcc.background, not awcc.service. I repeat once again, awcc.background.exe. We select this option and then right click on it and then end task. Clicking on it will help you until or unless you restart or shut down your computer. When you restart or shut down or once again turn off and on your computer, you may again encounter with this issue. So you have to follow the step again. So until Microsoft doesn't bring any new update regarding this, so our Alienware Command Center will not be operational and we will not be able to control our laptop's fan speed. So until then we have to just wait for them to bring some new update. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.